I found a website that will help you save over $1,000 on AI tools for just putting in your email. Now, I know you're probably skeptical, but no need to worry because this website is in partnership with ElevenLabs, one of the biggest AI companies out there. And they partnered up with a ton of AI companies like Lovable, Higgsfield AI, and Notion to give you guys a ton of discounts on a lot of different platforms. Hi guys, my name is Omri from AI Academy, and today we'll be going over AIStudentPack.com from ElevenLabs. Now, what is AI Student Pack? Well, AI Student Pack is a website that allows you to sign up with your student email and get a ton of different discounts on a ton of different AI platforms. So as you can see right here, it says AI Student Pack Volume 1, and they allow you to get over $1,500 in free credits on AI tools to help you study, create, and build faster. So let's go over it real quick. What's inside the AI Student Pack? AI Student Pack Volume 1 offers 16 of the best AI tools for free or at student-friendly prices to help you study, create, and build faster. Who's it for? Well, the AI Student Pack is open to students around the world. Whether you're in high school, university, or a graduate program, just click on Sign in to claim to verify your .edu or equivalent student status and start unlocking offers. Now, in another video we made about a student program, some people had issues signing up with their student email, but it looks like if your student email is not working, you could just apply right here. So all you have to do is click the About page and then apply right here if your email is not working. Now, other than the $1,500 discounts that they have, you can also win prizes with Student Spotlight. So basically, ElevenLabs is looking for the best student-made content using the ElevenLabs tools that you can use with this discount. And from now until October 15th of 2025, you can win free credits and merch if your content creation stands out. Now, all you have to do is either build a product or create some sort of creative ad for any of the ElevenLabs tools. And for a chance to win, you just have to post your creation publicly on social media and get tractions, and just tag ElevenLabs and 11Reader, and then you can just submit your link on this form right here before October 15th. Now, real quickly, before we get to the offers, they do have a little game where you could press space or the arrow up to jump and collect prizes. So basically, whoever wins this game should get a pretty big prize. So basically, all you have to do is literally just press space right here, and you can just jump around and get these little coins and get some number as your score. Okay, so let's get to the offers. The first offer is for ElevenLabs themselves. So basically, this is the best text-to-speech model for conversational AI for creating projects, presentations, and stories with AI voices that sound real. So I made a couple of videos covering ElevenLabs. This is probably the best tool for AI audio. You can clone your own voice. You can clone different voices. You can design voices based on the style that you want. You can even create your own music with the new ElevenLabs music feature. And yeah, we have a ton of videos covering the different features of ElevenLabs on this channel. And basically, you could just choose a voice, give it a text, and have it read it out loud. So you can even clone your own voice by just speaking into the camera for a little bit, and then you can just write in any text prompt and you just have yourself saying it, but just with the AI. So instead of having to do voiceovers for different things, and you can just upload your voice and have the AI clone it, and then you can just put in the text to do the voiceover. Now, this offer is 3 months for free on the creator plan. So they're saying it's worth $55 for new users only. And this creator plan is basically all you need for ElevenLabs. You don't need anything else. It has 100,000 credits, and each subsequent 1,000 credits costs 30 cents. Pretty good. And yeah, basically it gives you access to pretty much everything that ElevenLabs offers. And honestly, even without the discount, I say it's pretty worth it. Next thing we have is 11Reader. So this is basically an AI app that turns your notes, textbooks, and docs into natural AI audio and podcasts. So you can upload your notes and basically get a audio about them or a podcast. So if you don't want to have to read everything that you have, you can just get audio for it. So this offer is 1 year free of the 11Reader Plus. So $96. Pretty good. The next tool is Granola, which is an AI notepad that allows you to take, organize, and share your class notes. So I guess you could just upload your notes to this, basically have the AI organize it and make it easier to share with your classmates. Overall, keep you organized with AI for all your schoolwork and classwork. So the offer for Granola is 6 months for free on the Granola individual plan, which is $85, obviously new users only. So yeah, $85 of a free plan for 6 months that you can just cancel if you don't want it anymore after 5 months and 29 days. The next offer that they have is for Notion, which is an AI workspace to manage all your schoolwork, clubs, and side projects. So you get Notion Plus for free, which is $120 typically. So this is also a really good offer. So yeah, Notion helps you organize all your projects and tasks. So you can add your calendar, you can add your email, you can add a bunch of SOPs or anything that you want for anything that's related to your projects can live on Notion. And then you can ask the AI to find anything from anything you've uploaded. So this is very useful for anybody anybody who has a ton of projects going on and wants to keep organized. But yeah, they let you get the Notion Plus for $120 for free. Next, we have V0, which is a AI coding tool. So it is your collaborative AI assistant to design, iterate, and scale full stack applications for the web. So you get $60 in V0 credits. So basically what V0 is, you can just type in a prompt right here, and then you can get an app that's based on your prompt. So it'll design it, it'll code it, it'll do everything that is needed for your app to work. But all you have to do is just type in prompts and it'll come up with your app for you. As you can see, these are some examples that they have on their community page. People can create pretty much any app with this tool. So they claim that this tool can make stunning websites just like this one right here. And this is all just from writing in a prompt. So yeah, for this tool, you get $60 in credits for free. The next tool is Headspace. So this is to help you with your meditation and different things like that. So basically what they're saying is tough class, messy roommate, busy schedule, sleepless nights, take a break with Headspace. And the purpose of Headspace is to help you with your mental health and help you understand yourself. So yeah, you get credits for Headspace. So the offer for Headspace is 85% off, which is $65 in credits. Pretty worth it. The next offer is Superhuman AI, which is a email assistant. So it says Superhuman is the most productive email app ever made. Collaborate faster and get more done with AI native email. So basically you connect your email to Superhuman, and it's basically like having an AI agent live within your email. So the offer for Superhuman is 67% off the starter pack, which is worth $240 for new users only. And you have to get the domain approval once you sign in with your email. So basically Superhuman can create automatic drafts. It can organize your inbox, and it can help you respond to what matters faster. Superhuman also helps you automate phrases and entire emails. So instead of having to type faster, it can just type it out for you based on different patterns that it understands based on your emails. But yeah, this is super helpful and can boost productivity. So it's definitely worth a shot. After Superhuman, we have Bolt. So basically Bolt is a tool for building stunning websites and apps just by prompting. So this is similar to V0, but it's a little bit different because the tools they're using are a little bit different and their infrastructure is different. So it can create apps that also are a little bit different than V0. But yeah, their offer is 60% off the base pro plan. So for 1 year, so it's worth $140. So compared to the V0 one, this is only 60 and this is 140. But also keep in mind, we have Lovable over here. So make sure you choose the right platform based on your preferences. So Bolt, similar to V0, is basically a place where you can just put in a prompt and it'll build your app for you. And yeah, it's pretty much the same. Their tools are different, but it'll output an app for you. So that's pretty good. Currently, the one I like the most is Lovable. But yeah, 100 and how many dollars was it? $140 of credits is not bad at all just for signing up with your student email. The next tool is Blinkist, which is a place to understand key ideas from top books, podcasts, and experts in 15 minutes. So they're saying you get 60% off of Blinkist Premium and Pro yearly subscriptions worth $100 for new users only. So yeah, as you can see, you can learn about books, podcasts, and experts in just 15 minutes with this app. You can learn a ton of different things if you sign up. So as you can see, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a very famous book. But yeah, they claim that you can learn a lot of ideas from it in just 15 minutes. The next tool is Kokono. It's an AI note taker that turns audio and video content into notes and flashcards and quizzes. So the offer is 50% off first year of annual plan, so worth $65. New users only, so first 5,000. So if you want this one, get in quick. You should probably sign up now. And basically Kokono's claim is that you never have to take notes again. So you can just download the app and record your lecture, and it'll create a bunch of different things for you based on your lecture. So yeah, summarize anything, record and upload. Then you get instant notes and transcripts. Hopefully you guys can get in before this 5,000 user. And this offer is pretty good, so get in while you can. Our next offer is from Hedra, and Hedra is the best multi-model to create social media content, project videos for class, and more. So Hedra is a video generation platform where you can lip sync different pictures onto audio. You can do a bunch of different things with your images and your videos. And their offer is 50% off the annual pro plan or 50% off the first 2 months of the creator plan worth $30 or $450. So yeah, basically you could just type in a prompt right here and get a ton of different AI video related outputs. And as you can see, they have live avatars. This is something that they just announced now, but basically you can talk to an avatar in real time. And these avatars are something that you can create on your own. Our next tool is HeyGen, and HeyGen is the most lifelike AI video and avatars website to help create content. And they offer 50% off the creator plan worth $170. And if you've been on the internet for the past 2 months, you've seen a HeyGen video, regardless if you know it or not, not, because basically you can just upload a picture of yourself or an example video, and then you can have the character say whatever you want in whatever voice you want. So yeah, this is pretty useful if you're making content, and you can have it basically say anything. So any picture, talk, and say anything. As you can see here, you can have video avatars, you can have photo avatars, and you can have avatar 4, which is basically based off of any picture that you want. Next, we have Gamma, which is an AI powered tool to create presentations, websites, and social media content, and more in minutes. So basically what you do in Gamma is you just put in a prompt or a document, and if you want to turn it into a presentation, you just click next and it'll turn it into a presentation with graphics for you. The Gamma plan is 50% off, so it says worth $90 for the first 3,000 users that sign up. Now, so far I've only used the Gamma free plan, but honestly it's pretty good. Our next tool, which is my favorite, is Lovable, and it's basically, they don't even give a description. It just says the last piece of software. Pretty ballsy of a statement, but honestly, Lovable is one of the best things I've ever used. It is another platform to create apps, and it is game changing. I made a couple videos on it for this channel, and I'm working on my AI SaaS app for YouTube thumbnails on it right now as well with some other YouTubers, which is pretty exciting. Once that's ready, I'll make a video for you guys about it and maybe give you a little discount. Who knows? But yeah, Lovable's offer is 50% off for the pro plan for 1 year, so it's worth $150. Pretty good. The next platform is called Sketchy, and it's basically immersive learning tools to help medical students retain the most complex medical facts and build clinical confidence. For this one, you get 1 month free, so it's worth $20, and this is for new users only and the first 5,000, so get on it quick. And it is valid on Sketchy Cases monthly subscription until September 30th. Next is Higgsfield AI. I already have a subscription for this one, but basically it's a platform for creating cinematic videos and images, and basically it pulls in a lot of different AI tools together. So it makes it a lot easier with your content workflow and managing all your images, all your AI generated videos, creating different things, editing within the platform. I made a couple videos on this platform on this channel already, so feel free to check those out. But yeah, Higgsfield is offering 20% off for the first month of Pro, Ultimate, and Creator plans, so this is worth $30. Although if you're getting 20% off of the Creator plan, it's probably more than $30, so you have to check out what that is. And then for our last thing, it says, want to join volume 2 of the student pack? Fill out a quick form to join the pack. If you provide great AI tools for students, reach out to be included in volume 2. So I will probably do that with my thumbnail generator for students who want to become YouTubers. We'll see. But yeah, anyways, this has been all the AI offers that ElevenLabs AI Student Pack offers, and these are pretty good. Honestly, you save a ton of money if you're using a lot of these tools already. I already use ElevenLabs, I already use Notion, I already use HeyGen, I already use Gamma, I already use Lovable, I already use Higgsfield as well. So if I had this when I first signed up for all of them, it would have saved me a ton of money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like AI and want to learn and stay up to date about AI, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next from me or any of the other hosts. My name is Omri, and I will see you in the next video.